Have you ever opened Microsoft Word and felt like you are using only 10% of what you can actually do? What if I told you that by the end of this course, you'll be creating professional documents that look like they were designed by an expert, even if you are starting from absolute zero? Hello and welcome to Mastering Microsoft Word, from a total beginner to an advanced user. My name is Raphael Adeyemo, and I'll be guiding you step by step through this complete transformational journey. Whether you are a student, a business professional, a church administrator, an office assistant, or simply someone who wants to work smarter and faster, this course was built specifically for you. By the time you reach the final module, that is Module 10, you won't just be learning anymore. You'll be completing a real-world final project, reviewing everything you've learned, and earning a course completion certificate that proves your skills. Throughout this course, you will learn how to create beautiful, well-structured documents, design professional letters, reports, and CVs, build forms, tables, and long documents, automate tasks using advanced Microsoft Word tools, work faster, smarter, and more confidently. This course is carefully divided into 10 practical modules, and every single module comes with hands-on assignments, so you don't just watch, you practice. Feel free to pause the video at any time and try things out for yourself. And yes, I'll be providing downloadable assignment files for each module. You'll find the links in the comment section below. Before we begin, make sure you are subscribed to this channel and turn on notifications, because you don't want to miss a single lesson in this step-by-step journey from beginner to advanced user. Now let's start with Module 1, Introduction to Microsoft Word. Hello and welcome to Module 1 of this Microsoft Word Mastery course. I'm excited to have you here, and trust me, you're about to take the first step into becoming a confident and efficient Microsoft Word user. In this course, we will walk through Word step by step, from the very basics all the way to advanced techniques and formatting tricks that professionals use every day. You will learn how to create documents from scratch, format text beautifully, insert tables, images, and charts. You will also learn how to automate layout and even use powerful tools like styles, templates, references, and mail merge. No prior experience is needed. All you need is Microsoft Word installed on your computer and a willingness to follow along. Every lesson is practical, interactive, and easy to follow. As we go along, I encourage you to pause the video, try things out yourself, and practice as much as possible. Don't forget to answer all the practical assignments based on Module 1. Getting started with Word. In this session, we will learn how to open Word and explore the start screen. We will also get to know what document templates are. And finally, we will learn how to create, save, and open documents. Before we dive into editing and formatting, let's start everything from the very beginning. That is, opening Microsoft Word. On your computer, go to the Start menu or search bar and type Microsoft Word. Click on it to open. Once Word launches, you see the start screen. Alternatively, if you have the shortcut icon of Microsoft Word placed on your desktop or have it pinned to the taskbar, you can also click on it to launch Word. From here, you can create two things. You can either create a blank document or choose from a wide range of templates, such as CV, letterheads or report formats, and many other templates that Word comes with. For now, let's select blank document and click on it to create. Before we type anything, let's save our document. To do this, let's go to File, click on it and navigate to Save As. Click on Save As and this will open the File Save dialog box for you. Here you can choose a folder or location where you would save your file. I would want to save my file in the My Document folder, so let me click on My Document. After that, let me choose a name for my document, and the file or document name is about me. After that, you can click on save or OK depending on the version of Microsoft Word that you are using. Let's click on save and our file is saved. Great, now your work is saved and you don't have to worry about losing it even if Word closes unexpectedly. Make it a habit to save your work often so that any recent changes that you make will also be saved for you. Assuming you would want to open a new document whilst working with another, just go to File once again. Then select the file or document that you want to open and click on it. You can also create another blank document by clicking on it. To close the file, navigate to Close and click on it. This action will close the document that you are working on. To open the document once again, go to File and select your document from the list of documents that will appear under Recent. Click on it to open. And the keyboard shortcut for close is Alt F4. Word Interface Overview. In this session, we are going to learn about ribbon, tabs, and groups. We will also learn about the Quick Access Toolbar, the Status Bar, and the Navigation pane. Now let's take a tour of the Word interface. Understanding this layout is very important. At the very top, we have the title bar, and this shows the name of your document. Remember that I saved my document about me and see it appearing here. Below the title bar, we have the ribbons, commonly referred to as tab ribbons. This is where all your tools live. And we have Home, Insert, Design, Layout, Reference, and others. Each tab comes with a group of related commands. Up here, we have the Quick Access Toolbar. This allows you to add shortcuts like Save, Undo, and Redo. These are the default toolbars. Let's go ahead and customize the Quick Access Toolbar. You can do this based on your preference. To do this, let's click on this drop down arrow and this will open a flyout for us. Here you can decide to add, open, new, draw a table. You can also decide to show the Quick Access Toolbar above the ribbon or below the ribbon. So let me show it below the ribbon by clicking on this, and you see that now our Quick Access Toolbar is placed below the ribbon. This large white area is known as your document workspace. This is where you'll be performing most of the activities that you carry out in Word. At the bottom of the large white space is the status bar, and this tells you the page number, the number of words on your page or document. It also displays the language that you're using and word count. On the right hand side of the status bar, we have the zoom controls. This allows you to zoom in and out of your document. We also have the layout, and this controls how the document appears on screen. So we have the read mode, the print layout, and then the web layout mode. By default, it is always selected at print mode. Before we move out of the status bar, let's quickly go back to the tab ribbon and click on View. Under the View tab, we have Views, Page Movement, Show, Zoom, Windows, Switch Windows, Macro, and Properties. You can quickly notice that most of the icons that appears on the status bar can be found in the View tab. We have the Read mode, the Print layout mode, the Web layout mode, just as we have here, and then we also have Outline and also the Zoom control that allows you to zoom in and out of your document. From here, we can also display the navigation pane by checking this box. What the navigation panes allows you to do is that it shows headings, pages, and also gives results. That means that you can type the page number or headings, and quickly Word will search or comb through your document and bring up the exact page that you typed. You can also add grid lines to your document and show rulers around your document. Creating your first document. In this session, we are going to learn how to apply basic formatting and also look at the print preview. Now let's create our very first document. You can type anything you want. For me, I'm going to type the title of my document, and the title is About Me. Let me zoom in a bit so that it will become visible. Let's look at how we can apply basic formatting to our text. In the Home tab and under the font category, we have font style, font size, change case, clear formatting, bold, italic, underline, strike through, subscript and superscript. We also have word art, text highlight, and also font color. Let's now learn how to apply some of these basic formatting to our text. And to do this, highlight the text and click on B, and this will apply the bold formatting to our text. The keyboard shortcut to apply bold is Ctrl B. We can also decide to apply italic formatting to the text, and to do this we just have to click on the I, and this will format the text accordingly. The keyboard shortcut for this action is Ctrl I. Let's underline our text by clicking on this icon here to underline the text. The keyboard shortcut is Ctrl U. We can now think about changing the font style, and to do this we go into the font style group, click on the drop down arrow to reveal some of the fonts that can be found in the font gallery. Let me scroll back up and select Arial. To increase the size of the font, you click on the font size and select any number from here and click on it. We can also decide to align our text, and this formatting style can be found in the paragraph tools with our text still highlighted. We can align our text to the left, right, center, and we can also justify our text. By default, texts are aligned to the left hand side. And to change that, select one of these icons here. Let's say I select this. It will quickly align the text to the center of the page. And the keyboard shortcut for center alignment is Ctrl E. However, assuming we want to align our text to the right, we will click on this icon here, and the text will be aligned to the right hand side. Although this is not used very often in document creation. The keyboard shortcut for aligning right is Ctrl R. We can also click on Justify to stretch the text on both edges. After formatting our document the way we want, we would want to print it out and get a hard copy version of it. And to do that, go back to File, click on it and click on Print. This will quickly show the print dialog box. In there we have Print Preview. The print preview is showing how your document will appear when it is printed. On the left hand side we have the printer. This allows you to choose or select a printer from the list of printers that is installed on your computer. We also have some settings to choose from before we print our document. You can decide to change the paper orientation of your document from here, or you can decide to increase the number of copies or decrease the number of copies that can be printed out. When you look at the print preview and the printer settings that you have selected and you are satisfied, then you can click on Print to print your document. To finish this module, let me show you some shortcuts that will let you move around Word easily and seamlessly. First on the list is how to move around Word quickly. To move by word, press Ctrl and the left arrow or right arrow. To move to the beginning of a line, press the Home key. And also to move to the end of a line, press the End key. Now to move to the top of a document, you press Ctrl and Home. And to move to the bottom of a document, you press Ctrl and End. In order for you to select text efficiently, you can do this by double-clicking on the text. Also, you can press Ctrl and click, and this will select the entire sentence. In order to select a paragraph, you would apply triple click on a given paragraph, and to select all text in the document, you press Ctrl and A, and this will select all items in the document for you. The next set of keyboard shortcuts that we should know is how to apply, copy, cut and paste in our document creation. To copy and duplicate text, you press Ctrl and C. And to remove the text entirely from where it is, you press Ctrl X. To paste the copied or cut text, you press Ctrl V, and this will paste the text in any location that you desire or choose. Finally, you can apply undo and redo whilst creating your document. The keyboard shortcut for undo is Ctrl Z, whilst the keyboard shortcut for redo is Ctrl Y. In order to save your document instantly, press Ctrl S, and this will save your document for you. Make it a habit to press Ctrl S often, as it prevents loss of work. And with that, we have come to the end of Module 1. Now it is time for some practical assignment. Module 1 practical assignment. Create a new Word document titled About Me, and your document must include a title, and this title should be centered. And the title of the document should be About Me. After that, write a paragraph describing yourself, and this should include your name, your school or workplace, your interests, and why you want to learn Microsoft Word. 3. Let's learn how to apply the formatting requirement. Your document must have a font size of 12 or 14. The font style should be Calibri or Times New Roman, and the appearance bolding your name. Let your name be bold. Apply italic to one sentence and also highlight one important word. When you are done, you go to File and save your document. Save it with the title or file name About Me. Go to the print preview and display it. However, do not print unless you are instructed to do so. Great job, you have completed Module 1. If you are enjoying this series, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any future lessons. And if you found value in this tutorial, please like the video and share it with others who might benefit from it. When you are ready, click on the next video to jump straight into Module 2. Thanks for watching and see you in the next module. Bye bye for now.